Meaning of enchanter.
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 Enchanter. An enchanter is someone who has the ability to cast spells or use magic to charm or enchant people or things. They are often associated with fairy tales and fantasy stories, and can be either a hero or a villain depending on the context of the story. Enchanters typically have a charismatic and persuasive personality, using their powers to manipulate or influence others. They may also possess magical artifacts or potions to aid in their abilities, making them powerful and mysterious figures in literature and mythology.